Okay, this is the YouTube video of the day. It's Saturday, and what better thing to do than to figure out how to do a brand new design for a lint trap for running your dryer inside the house. So what has conspired here is this dryer here was inside this room here. When we moved into the house, down inside here there was a hole that goes where they redirected the airflow into the crawl space, which really didn't do any good other than just spit that lint all over the crawl space, which one day I'll go down there and clean all that up. So the idea was, let's relocate this while we can, and we are going to put it over here. So I drew out all the dimensions. We had design here for a double stack washer dryer, and temporarily we moved the dryer out of the space, drilled some holes, ran the power cord through it, and unfortunately the project all came to a stop because when I went to rerun the power, which would have been right about there, I found out that my crawl space was full of water. So I had to shift projects and work on the outside to redirect all the water when it rains here to flow away from the house versus into my crawl space. So that's why it's like that now. But anyway, so we had bought this internal trap. Let me show you what this thing looks like. It's a piece of garbage. Don't spend a dime on one of these things. So this is what you get at Home Depot. I don't even remember what I paid for it, probably $14.95. But yeah, you hook it up. It's supposed to do the same idea what you saw in there, but and then you hook up these little contraptions here so you can run your dryer vent. It's garbage. Don't waste a dime on it. So anyways, came up with a better design. Ended up taking the Lowe's bucket. I'm sure my wife will be okay with that. But got some corrugated dryer vent tubing that's stretchable. It's more sturdy than what you just saw there. And I bought an adapter which I connected to the dryer base, which has a 90-degree angle, and this thing basically just stretched it up very, very easily, and then retained the flexible tube. And then I robbed the top piece of that piece of garbage that I bought, because it has this flex tube on here which you can disconnect, so when I need to clean out the lint trap I can easily do it. And then I just put 2 quarts of water in there, bottom of this tube, and it appears to be working great. There's a little bit of heat coming off of here, but not as much as it was on that other piece of garbage that we bought, because that thing just wasn't directing air anywhere but outward. So clearly I moved the dryer back in here and it seems to be all working well. So this is a temporary solution to run your dryer vent inside the house until we decide on the final design and how to vent it outside the house, and of course placement of the new washer and dryer that we hope to have here shortly in the near future. So there's the YouTube video of the day. Enjoy.